Hello, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and I want to talk about this new product from Henge Docks. This is an excellent company. I've had some of their docking stations, but this one is made specifically for the MacBook Pros. It's called the Stone, and I'm going to talk about this, and I'm going to tell you how it resolves some issues that I have with the new MacBook Pros right after this. So as you know, I've been did a couple of videos on the new MacBook Pro, the 2017 with the touch bar. The new MacBook Pros now have USB-C ports that especially this one only has 4 ports, 2 on one side, 2 on this other side, and I am now going to swap this laptop with my other laptop that I've been using for editing. The issue is when you see on my old laptop is that the old laptop has all these cables, as you can see here, these audio ports, USB. Over here it's got HDMI cable, another USB. It has some SD card, and so all this is going to go away with the new laptop because all it has is USB, and this old laptop doesn't have any of that. Doesn't have any USB-C cables. Okay, so this is the dilemma that I have. What do I have that can make that transition or could bridge that laptop to all the peripherals that I have to afford me to do? That's where this Stone Henge dock comes into play here. Let's do a little unboxing here, right here, so you can see. I'm going to move this out the way. But I was doing some research in the internet, looked at different docking stations, all this stuff like this, and I found that this is probably one of the better. OWC also has a docking station that, you know, is pretty good, but you know, at this point, for me, I thought this was the better one on that. It's very nice, very small. It has a space gray. It's made out of metal. Got this rubberized here so it won't slip. And it's got an SD card slot here. It's got a USB for charging here. Headphone, microphone, 1, 2, 3 USB slots, 3.1. It's got an Ethernet gigabyte. It's got a video port, and there's the power, and then it's also got a cable for that as well. But it's very nice and space gray. If you can see it, it kind of, you know, well, I have this cover over here, but kind of lays on, and the objective is that you lay it on and then the laptop just kind of lays on that here. Let me see if you can get a side shot on that. See, you just kind of lay it and it looks very nice. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it. Let's see what else is in the box. So we'll lay that. This is kind of funny. Here's the instructions. Plug it into the outlet, plug it into the computer. That's it. It's that simple. See? That simple. All right, let's see what other cables we might have. It brings a USB-C to a USB-C cable. We'll need that. And we're gonna do all the installation here real shortly. You're gonna see me install all this. I gotta get this laptop up and running. Nice, well, wow, nice and thick too. Good cable there. This is a USB-C, I'll need that cable. Here is the brick, charging brick, to bring power to the little Stone. And then you got your power cord here. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some of these ports, and then we're not gonna use others. So let me just power this thing down. I will need a couple of other cables for my Drobo, and then I'll need an HDMI adapter to an audio port here, a video port from an HDMI. This is an HDMI screen, so I got these two adapters. So I got these adapters. We're gonna use what we got here. And so here we go. And we're gonna start taking things out. So first of all, we're gonna move all these cables out. This is the Drobo cable. All right, and so we're gonna take this out. Power of the HDMI. And here we go, we're gonna take this out. And so this is this is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Perfect, it's a good condition. Really excellent. I'm gonna clean it, wipe it clean, and then resell this. So this will make some of, it'll pay for this laptop on that. So we're gonna set this one aside, all right? Now we're gonna move this laptop and we're gonna put it in here. All right, that's good. And now we start. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting the peripherals. We're gonna hook the peripherals here. So we know this is what we're gonna plug into the, okay. This is the Drobo Mini. And we're gonna run the Drobo Mini through here. There's one. This is the Ethernet. I had an adapter on the Ethernet. I don't no longer need an adapter to the Ethernet, so we're gonna take the adapter out. And then we're gonna attach it here. So there it is, okay. Okay, there's that. Here is the HDMI video, and here's my adapter. Put that adapter here, and we'll move this one right here. And I believe we're done. All I need to do now is plug some power to it. The thing now, the cool thing I like about this is that this is actually a little bit more flexible, because all I have to do is unplug one cable, and I can take my laptop to Starbucks, Barnes and Noble. I am a lot more flexible than what I was before. All right, here we go. Okay, now I have all my peripherals all in, okay? And there is, basically I should be on. And then we're going to plug this one right in here into the first USB port. And we're gonna run this and see how this runs. Okay. We'll see what happens. Here, we've made our connection. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, we'll probably need to sync all the laptops in the thing. Now, here's what I was telling you about. Now, I'll make this pretty over here. This will all be pretty because, I mean, we'll do. But here's the thing that I wanted to show you. If I want to go to Barnes and Noble or take my laptop because I'm traveling or something, all I have to do is unplug one cable right here, one cable. Unplug, take it with me. That's it. Not like before, I had to do 15 different cables, 20 different cables. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. All right, so there it is. I got everything hooked up. It looks pretty well. All I have to do is just sync up my keyboard and all that. I'll be doing that here shortly. But it looks beautiful, looks perfect. Everything's fine. And I have a much stronger and powerful computer to do my editing and all that. And if you're interested in how all this is panning out, I'll throw some links down at the bottom. Read my blog at excel2tech.com. And guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes. Comment below, share this video with your friends. If you have already subscribed, I appreciate you very, very much. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell, that notification bell. That notification bell will let you know when new videos come up and stuff like that. You know, check out my blog, excel2tech.com. And listen, with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.